other example of application softwares is programming languages. Okay, programming languages, these are simply the grammar and logical rules that make up a programming language utilized to communicate the calculations and tasks that the computer must perform. Okay, so this part is introducing you to the coding world. Okay, don't bother with the word coding, you understand where we're going. Writing a program in a programming language allows you to formally codify methods, regulate computer behavior, and enable human-computer interface. Each language has its own collection of keywords, words that it recognizes, and a particular syntax for arranging computer instructions. Okay? Programming languages are divided into 3 categories. We have 1, the high-level languages, assembly language, and machine language. The high-level programming languages include languages like COBOL, BASIC, FORTRAN, C, C++, Java, Python, and many more. High-level language is simpler to comprehend and use. Between machine language and high-level language is assembly language. Okay? The language used by computers, known as machine language, is challenging for programmers to comprehend. Either assembly languages or high-level languages will have to be converted into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Remember, earlier I said the human language is difficult for the computer to understand. Okay, so we need first to convert it into machine language so that the computer will be able to understand. The high-level language, a high-level language software is written in a language that resembles English. A high-level language software is written in a language that resembles English. The characteristics of a program created in a high-level language, we have the following. The high-level programming languages make it simpler to develop, read, and comprehend programs than machine language or assembly language. For instance, a program written in C++ is simpler to comprehend than a program written in machine code. The programs developed in high-level languages have source code that must be translated using translation software, such as an interpreter or compiler, into object code, or rather the machine code. In a high-level program, one line of code may correspond to many lines of machine code. High-level languages make it simpler to transfer programs between computers. Okay? Developmental tools. Developmental tools is also another application software. So developmental tools, these are software applications or utilities that help developers in various stages of the software development life cycle. These tools can include integrated development environments, which is IDEs, text editors, debuggers, build systems, testing frameworks, and code review tools. We also have translation tools as one of the example of application softwares, which is a program written in assembly language and high-level language being translated using translator software into a format that the machine can understand. There are 3 types of translator software to choose from. So we have 1, assembler, 2, compiler, then 3, interpreter. What does the assembler do? Okay, so a program written in assembly language is translated into machine code using an assembly language assembler. What does the compiler do? A high-level language program needs to be translated into binary code, the language that computers can understand. The computer program, known as a compiler, converts a high-level program into machine language. The interpreter, what does it do? Okay, then the interpreter serves a similar function as a compiler. The interpreter is used to translate a high-level language program into a format that computers can understand. However, the interpreter functions in a different way than a compiler does. When a program is running, an interpreter runs the source code line by line. The interpreter examines the source code, translates into it machine understandable language.